human being.
Okay.
Me person me twa tro mo bi. O twa tro mo bi na o dada nipa. Na o di sa nipa se ka no be twa o ka. What's my say? Na me je me pe tro me juma no.
Yeah, chief.
Okay, man no twa na o pe die ne die na o bra me che me do nya me se me be boa o. O ba na me ti me boa me ka twa so me ti me boa o.
Okay. You can take the numbers if you want to reach Chief Zachi, and what you whatever you want your problem to be solved, you have to contact Chief Zachi. The numbers is 050 92 433 54. You can reach Chief Zachi at Northern Region, Tamale location, which is Gabon Farm. You can go there wherever you found yourself, whether you are outside the country, you are in Accra, you are in Kumasi, wherever you found yourself and you want the Chief Zachi to come, to help you, you can contact that number, which is 050 92 433 54. Chief, I saw the message on my screen, and then a lot of people are just watching to see your actions about instant money, Chief.
Okay, don't worry. I will do the action instant money for you.
Okay.
You use it to be rich.
Okay.
Are you understand?
Yeah.
Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You use it to be rich. You are lucky and come here to do me interview.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So you don't worry, inshallah. I will do it for you.
Okay.
And one thing I want you to see. I want cotton.
Okay. The cotton, the one lying down there.
Okay, take this cotton for me.
Okay. So you can see that this is the cotton. This is the cotton I'm going to give to Chief. And nothing day, I'll give the cotton to Chief and see what the Chief will do for me. Chief.
For cotton, mommy.
Okay.
General.
Okay. That's the empty pot. Nothing day. Yeah. Chief, nothing day. Okay.
Today I want you to see.
Okay.
Are you understanding me?
Yeah.
We have spirit and have spirit.
Okay.
Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yeah, Chief.
You wait, you will see.
Okay.
Then you go.
Okay.
And let people know.
Okay.
We have someone, the person called Zach.
Zach, okay.
You never see anyone before.
Chief Zach.
Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We are not like at my place. I'm not joking with my way.
Yeah.
Are you getting what I'm saying?
Chief.
Gente, kan yang baru pamu no pabi sabe, sabe no pabi kan. So that's what I should be as well.
Okay, you can see. Yes. Okay.
Mbanyeza tizaza kan neti ni makumba ka kumba ba. Yana kale mbanyenda za tizaza maka fasa.
Okay.
Neti na makumba ni yabazi. Yabazi makumba kama tera zonda so. Yamu ba kombo kama tera zonda so. Yana troba kombo kama tera zonda so. 15 muro pa kanza akombo. Nyamba tsomo pa bisobe. Zonda so kan sura ni yazo na pokani. Idi mabjane evi tera bjane ya. Ibia we pole ni susu duma ni ko duma zonda so kan so ni cheza ka yazo na pokani. Solomo Pabika, Kamu Pabiko TV. What is your name?
Yeah, Chief, you can just do the actions.
What is your name?
Dallas.
Okay.
Yeah, Dallas.
So that's Somoka, Dallas, one of the Pokemon Balas, it's here when we check at the book. I want people to know that we have split and half split. Are you seeing?
Yeah.
Are you seeing?
Yeah.
So no party can zone the song as one year zone can get what be a woman point to do money on the song.
Chief!
He be a
can see.
To do on the song as one year.
Can see.
So no party can no party continue. Il y a bien mal à l'aide, il bien à l'aide, ils ont des choses comme ça.
Ok.
Seulement pas avec quelqu'un, nous parlons de division, des choses comme ça. Seulement pas avec quelqu'un, nous parlons de division, des choses comme ça. Seulement pas avec quelqu'un, nous parlons de division, des choses comme ça. Seulement pas avec quelqu'un, nous parlons de division, des choses comme ça. Seulement pas avec quelqu'un, nous parlons de division, des choses comme ça. Seulement pas avec quelqu'un. Yes, you can get that.
Okay.
Seulement pas avec quelqu'un, nous parlons de division.
This is the real
Seulement pas
money.
avec quelqu'un, nous parlons de division.
Maman Pala, it's not
Seulement pas avec quelqu'un, nous
a
parlons de
counterfeit.
division, des choses comme ça.
Yeah.
Seulement pas avec quelqu'un, nous parlons de change it money.
Yeah.
Change it money.
Yeah.
I want you to change it.
That's 50 notes. Real
Seulement pas
money.
avec quelqu'un, nous parlons de division, des choses comme ça.
10 city, 10 city.
Seulement pas avec quelqu'un, nous parlons de division, des choses
2020.
comme ça.
Okay.
Seulement pas avec quelqu'un, nous parlons de division, des choses comme ça.
Okay. Chief, it's okay. Chief, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Chief.
You said that you want money.
Chief,
Let me
it's
do
okay
the money
now.
for you.
No, it's okay.
You said that you want money.
Chief,
Let me
it's
do the
okay.
money for you.
People have sinned.
You said that you want money.
Yeah, Chief, it's okay. People have sinned.
You said that you want money. Are you understand what I'm saying? You said that you want to do. You want me to do action.
Okay. See, if you want 20 CD notes, 50 CD notes, 10 CD notes, all is here. All is here. This one is not a counterfeit. It's just the money I will use for my fuel to go back to my place. A lot of
Leave what you are doing. Now you understand what I'm saying. You said that you want money.
Chief.
All this you are just doing. That's a waste of time.
Okay.
Are you understand?
Yeah.
That's why the me I don't want to be doing action.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that thing? What is inside?
Chief, it's empty. Empty.
Put it down.
Okay.
Sweat it for me.
Okay.
Where's the sweat? I want sweat it.
Okay. Chief, let me do it. Okay. You can also see.
We have red and have red.
Okay.
Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yeah. Okay.
You said that you want money.
Okay.
I want you to know, Chief, that is not joking.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Chief, you can also see, you can see, yes, that's Chief Sachi. If you want the instant money, pocket not dry, you can call 050 92 433 54. Call Chief Zachi at Northern Region, location Gagbon Fong. Yeah, Gagbon Fong. You can reach there. When you come to Tamale, you ask of Gagbon Fong, you will locate the chief. That's the location of the Chief Zachi. You can come and get your money you want. Yes.
I want you to open this.
Okay.
Are you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And you know that today I don't want you to go and come back and tell me that you are not rich. Are you getting what I'm saying?
So
here, when you just come to my place,
okay.
by God's grace, inshallah, I want to prove that you be a rich person.
Okay.
Open it. Can I
touch it?
Tell me yourself, be. Be I don't know yourself.
Okay.
Be.
Okay.
Be.
Okay.
Be.
Okay. Wow.
General,
Wow.
Jay.
Wow.
Open Braha.
This is dollars. That is dollars. If you are outside the country, Ghana, if you are everywhere,
if you are US,
money,
then you want money.
Okay.
Inshallah, you call Chief Zachi.
Okay.
Then come to Chief Zachi.
Yeah.
I will help you in money. God created us and said that we should help together. So I'm helping people because of God.
Yeah, Chief.
And I don't want to lie with you.
Like we went to so far as I got to see.
I want you to take the money and go.
Yeah.
I have some perfume. When you come to my place,
Okay.
I have some perfume. If I do the instant money like this, I'm going to use it for the money.
Okay.
Then you go and do what?
Okay.
You go and we starting chopping the money.
Yeah.
So when you come here, if I didn't use the money, if I didn't do the laughing time, you cannot chop it.
Okay.
So let me do it for you.
Okay.
So that you do what? Are you getting what I'm saying?
Okay.
Before you can start chopping your money.
Yeah.
Yeah, the laughing time, some left, small one.
Small one. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Some left.
Okay. That's good.
Now, you may, but
That's good.
Tama spray, money spray, man. Give me the money spray. I want you to go and start chopping the money.
Okay.
This is money spray.
Okay.
When you come, then I'll do the money for you. Let me buy the money spray.
Okay.
But because of you come here to do the interview. So that's how you are lucky.
Okay.
Are you understanding me?
Yeah.
Then I will use it and use the money
Okay.
and rub it before you can just go out
Okay.
and go and start chopping the money. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Let me put it for your hand.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So right now, everything is alright. So if you take the money,
Chief,
you can chop it.
quick. Your final your final words about the spiritualism and other things, you know. What kind of